How's it going, everyone? Ivan here from the Realistic Viewer channel. Today I bring a new unboxing for my Black Widow Chroma V2. I decided to take the one with the orange switches, which Razer actually recommended for tactile but silent typing. It has an ergonomic wrist rest included, which works with a magnet. It has 18.5 different types of colors, 18.5 million types of colors that you can display on the keyboard, 5 macro keys, and a lot of other features. So let's take a look at the actual keyboard. First we unbox it, of course, with the Swiss Army knife. But before we unbox this, let's take a look at the 3 types of keys that you can also select. You have the Razer Green, which is a switch that is very tactile and very clicky. So if you want more of a feedback in regards to gaming, etc., that is a better option. I actually selected in the middle, which is tactile and silent, so I actually get the feedback but not as much sound. And if you are an FPS shooter type of person, then you can select the yellow one. Now then, it's time. Let's unbox it. Knife. Open sesame, we say. We open it up. What do you get? You get your papers and a thank you note. If you want to check it out, pause the video here. You get your Chroma instruction box. Then we open this up. As you can see, the keys, the cables that are included. You have your input for your output for your PC. You have a 3.5 jack, so for example if you want to place audio in, and on the side you have an additional USB cable. Funny little extra that they also include is a keychain with the actual input. So for example, you click on it and then you get the different types of colors that your keyboard can display. Here we have the ergonomical wrist cushion. So let's open this. It's very soft, not too soft, and also has a little bit of a feedback. So we removed everything out of the box, and let's have a closer look at the keyboard itself. So this is a sample of the orange switches. Let's first remove the wrist rest and take a look at the features that are on the keyboard itself. It has 5 different macro switches, so you can program them with different types of lighting. You have a full-sized number pad on the side as well. There is also a Chroma, but it is the tournament edition, which does not include the number pad. You can indicate if it has the macros on and change it to different types. You can also switch out the Windows button to disable if you're in gaming mode, for example. It has dedicated media buttons, and let's take a look at the side. So on the side of the keyboard you also have a dedicated USB 3.0 connection and a 3.5 jack. So for example, if you want to plug in your headphones or your speakers, you can also do that through your keyboard itself. So on the back side you also have 2 stands to uplift the keyboard itself, so up and up, and then you get a nice 45-degree angle. So to actually program your Black Widow Chroma V2, you actually need the Razer Synopsys software. With the software, you can control multiple aspects and software hardware from Razer. So I have a mouse as well, the Razer Deathadder Elite, and let's have a look at the Razer Black Widow Chroma V2. So if you click on that, you get an overview and you can program everything from how the macro key actually function to the keyboard function, mouse function, switches, multimedia. So for example, if you want to turn the volume down, then you can program it on the macro 1 key, shortcuts to programs, text functions, and many more. So you also have the option to change your lighting, the effects as well, and you can also change the profile. So for example, if you're in gaming mode, that for example certain lighting actually works. And what you can do as well is also have a look at the different types of lighting modules. So for example, if you have the Chroma Connect, which means that all the Razer devices get connected to one another. You have a Chroma Studio, so you can adjust it to your own preferences. So I made my own profile with the colors of my channel, which you will see in a couple of seconds after this. And then you can also link it up to your U-Light. So let's have a look at how the Chroma V2 looks with lighting enabled. So this is an overview of my keyboard at the moment. I've been using it now for a couple of months and I've really been enjoying it. The tactile combination is very useful, very clear, and very adjustable to my own needs. So if you are looking to pick it up, go pick it up. I'll add a link to it in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. If you're new, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video. This is Ivan from the Realistic Viewer channel, helping you achieve more.